Champware is made from a material called bagasse. As a renewable resource, it can be sustainably sourced forever, unlike plastics, which are made from resources that eventually are depleted. Bagasse is a byproduct of the sugar refining process. It is processed into pulpboard, and pulpboard is molded into tableware. Because bagasse comes from the sugarcane crop, it is completely recyclable, compostable, and biodegradable. Recycling a molded fiber product turns it into material that can be used in the production of more products. Composting it turns it into soil fertilizer for growing more crops. If it is left to biodegrade in the environment, it will break down much faster than plastic and styrofoam. When it comes to to-go packaging and tableware, Champware products are a naturally sustainable and environmentally friendly choice. Visit our website to see the variety of recyclable and compostable molded fiber products in our Champware line.